This video is to train users on how to set up their computer properly before moving to Entra ID and Intune. We want to make sure that everything is being backed up before you switch users to your new account so that you have all your documents and bookmarks in the right place. So let's start. We're going to accomplish this by using Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is usually installed automatically on most computers. If it's not, however, you may need to type in Microsoft OneDrive install and making sure to click the official Microsoft website before downloading OneDrive. If this is your first time signing into OneDrive, you'll need to go through the process of signing in for the first time. And this more than likely will include multi-factor authentication. In this scenario, we're going to say no to these pop-ups as we're doing this just as a test. And we're going to use the same folder. This has been set up before. You might not see this on your end, so no worries. All users should receive this pop-up regarding backing up of folders. This is important, and we want to ensure that everything is checked and make sure we click Start Backup. In this case, they're defaulted to on, and the reason that they're defaulted to on is because we've already set this up before. But if it's not on for you, make sure they're checked and click Start Backup. Now, what if you think potentially that maybe you've already set this up before, but you want to check? Well, to check, you can see that the blue OneDrive icon is in your bottom right. You can click on Settings, Settings again, and then Manage Backup. If these are checked and you don't need to save changes, then you know that it's turned on. Well, now you've checked to make sure it's turned on. How do you know it's working? Well, a good way to know it's working is if you click the OneDrive icon, you can see all your files are synced. How do we know that things are syncing for new files? Well, let's do a test. This is going to be a test Microsoft Excel sheet right in the middle of our screen. We can see the icon is now green, meaning it's synced, and we can see that it was uploaded 7 seconds ago. We know it's working. If you have many files inside of your documents and downloads, this file sync icon here could say hundreds, if not thousands of files that your computer is currently syncing. Make sure that this completes before switching to a new user through Intune and Entra ID. What about your bookmarks? Well, let's open up Microsoft Edge and let's export these bookmarks. You can do this by going to Favorites. This might be called Bookmarks in Chrome. Clicking on our 3 dots, clicking Export Favorites, and making sure that it's somewhere inside of your OneDrive so that when you sync it, it will automatically get uploaded to OneDrive and it will be on your new user. Now we've saved. Again, we can check to make sure it was uploaded correctly. You can see the file has synced. Now we're ready to switch accounts. You're ready to import those bookmarks, and you will have all your files when you go to your new user automatically show up when you sign into OneDrive and make sure that your backup is turned on the new account. This ensures that you're all good when moving between computers. If you lose your computer, destroy your computer, or you just want to use somebody else's device for the day.